Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So for today's reading the topic is what is stored for you in year 2022. So in upcoming year. So the topic is what is stored for you in year 2022 or 2022. It's a PK card reading, so you need to choose one pile, whichever you are drawn towards. So let's get into the reading. So pile number 1, who chose red pile? What is stored for you in 2022? This is for general, this is for love, and this is for career. So first let's see what is stored for you in 2022 in general. So pile number 1, who choose red pile? In year 2022 you will be very passionate, very active, very confident. In general, this energy will be in general. So you will be happy, you will be content, and whatever you are doing, you will be doing or you are going to do, you will be passionate about that, and you are very determined. You hold a lot of fire and passion towards the things what you do in your life in 2022. So in general, the energy will be very good. You will be very energetic and passionate, interested to do the things. Overall, you will be good state of mind, I can say. You will be in good state of mind in 2022. You will be happy with whatever you have. You will be having peaceful life. Whatever things, you will find peace. You will be peaceful, you will be calm, and at the same time, if you are doing something, you will be passionate, courageous and determined. There will be no confusions and no setbacks. So this is how your general energy will in 2022. So overall it's a good energy. You will be in a good energy in 2022. So let's move to the love. What will be in 2022 in love matters, how it will be. So in 2022 in love situations are related to relationship or friendships, things will be not that good. There will be some ups and downs, mostly downs I can say. You will be not that much satisfied in your relationships, area of the relationship or in emotional area I can say in 2022. As we saw, your overall energy is good for you in general, but in the area of emotions, love, relationships, it will be not that good. You feel failure or in relationships, any kind of relationships, friendships, maybe it is a partnership, business partnership or personal relation partnership. You feel defeated or you feel failure. You will be unsatisfied. There will be some problems, you will face some issues, so because of that you feel unsatisfied in your emotional area or area of love in 2022. The area of emotional or relationship wise, that is not much satisfied to you. Let's move to career wise. So how your career will be in 2022? So in career, also very tension, stressful. You will feel anxiety, stress regarding your career or work. If you are into business, you feel anxiety, stress, lot of pressure. You may be, if you are working, you feel very pressurized. If you are having business also, you will feel very anxious about your career matters, business proposals, or in job, you will be pressurized. Tension, it holds lot of tension in work area. In your career in 2022, it holds lot of tension or pressure or stress. So not that much. I cannot say you will feel defeated or just you feel tension. You will achieve the things, but the thing is you will feel you need to take a lot of tension or pressure, stress over career related matters. In 2022, you are going to take a lot of tension or pressure, stress, career issues, job or financial issues. It will give a lot of stress to you. So overall your energy is good, but in career and relationship matter, it will be little bit, if you feel defeated or stressful. So let's see what is the guidance for the year 2022, which will help you to come out of or how to handle the situations. Okay, so this guidance is for how to handle the situations. So you in 2022 you need to focus on learning the things, whatever in your whatever situation you will be, learn the things. If you are not happy, you are feeling defeated, you are feeling lost, instead of feeling sad or crying over that, try to learn from the situation, from the loss. This will be your guidance. It will guide you. Those lessons will guide you towards your success. Or I can say it will guide you. Actually, those lessons, whatever lessons you are learning, it will guide you in your life to move forward in your life. So whatever you face in 2022, try to learn the things. Not just from the situations. If you want to learn something in your life, if you want to acquire some new knowledge, if you want to do some new course, or you want to pursue your education, continue it, do it. Don't hesitate, just do it. Try to learn the things. And if you know anything already, if you have knowledge about the things, try to teach those things to others. See, if you everyone is having some ups and downs in their life, so we all have some knowledge. At the same time, we still need to learn some things in our lives to move forward. So in 2022, your guidance is to learn the things, at the same time teach those things. Whatever you learn from the life till now, you just teach those things to the people who are going through the same situations which you already gone through, or which you already come out of the difficult situations, which you already faced the hardships. So whatever you did to come out of it, whatever knowledge you gained from your bad times, from the lessons, whatever lessons you learned from your painful situations in your life, try to teach those things. Don't keep that knowledge to yourself only. Try to share that knowledge to others. So overall, the energy for 2022 is very good. You will be in a good energy. but there will be ups and downs in your relationship matters, and some stress, anxiety will be there in your career matters. But so how to overcome those things? You need to learn the things. If you are facing some situations in your career, stress or anxiety kind of things, you need to learn something. Maybe you need to take some course which will help you to move forward in your career, which will help you to get success in your career. So if you are thinking to take any kind of course, learn some new courses which will help you to grow in your career, which will help you to grow your business, take that courses. Just don't stop to learn, don't hesitate to learn. If you are getting some lessons, if you are getting some like if you have if you got the opportunity to learn something from someone regarding your business or regarding your career or relationship situations, try to learn that. Don't hesitate, don't feel egoistic or prideful. Just learn the lessons, and at the same time, whatever knowledge you gained till so far, try to share that knowledge to others. This is what your guidance for this 2022. Learn and teach. Just open to learn, and at the same time open to teach people what you are learned, whatever knowledge you have gained so far. Okay, so this is your 2022. All the best for your 2022. Let's move on to pile number 2. Who choose blue pile? So for people who choose blue pile, your 2022, what is stored for you? So it is for general. So in general, your general energy is, you will be very communicative. You are open to communications, or you will be very communicative. Your communication skills will be very good in 2022. However it may be right now, whether you are good at or not, but in 2022 you are going to use your communications more. You are open to communicate more, and at the same time you are improving your communication skills. Your throat chakra is fully open. You don't hesitate to ask, don't hesitate to tell anything. You are fully open to communicate whatever comes in 2022. You don't hide things, or you don't keep quiet. You just use your communication skills. So total for the 2022, your energy is communication, speaking. So this is your overall energy in general. You are good at communication, and you are ready to use that communication skills. Let's see what is your love area or relationship area. So in relationship area also it is very good. You will be very matured in your emotional area, like relationships, love, family related matters. You will be very mature and very courageous. You are ready to take up any kind of challenge or any kind of responsibility regarding your family matters. You won't hesitate to take. So whether right now you are responsible or not, but in 2022 you will become very responsible, very mature. You will think very maturely regarding your relationships, or I can say you will be very emotionally very matured in 2022. You will get that power, you will get that balance, you will get that maturity in emotional level. So whatever the situation it may be now, in 2022 you will be very matured, very courageous, and you are ready to take any kind of responsibilities regarding your family matters. So you will be like a supportive system for your family. In 2022, you are the main support for your family. You are ready to take any challenge. Whatever comes to your family related matters or your family, you will ready to. So this is a good energy. So in 2022, you will be in a good energy regarding your emotional life or family matters. It will be very good. So let's move to your career matters. So in 2022, regarding your career, you are not entertaining any emotional things, or you will be very materialistic. You think very materialistically. You don't get emotions into the place in your career. You just think about your pentacles. You will think very materialistically. Career wise, you think very materialistically. You are not giving any chance for emotions in your career area. That is very good actually. When it comes to career, you will be not emotional. You won't entertain any emotions in your career matters. I can say you will be cutthroat. You just don't entertain any kind of emotional situations to disturb your career. You just focus on your career. You will be focusing on your career only. You just think about your pentacles only, your finances. You don't entertain any kind of other personal things to disturb your career. So whatever career you are pursuing, whether you are working in work situation also, you will be very strict. You won't be like funny or friendly. In a friendly nature, you are losing your opportunities in career wise. You won't do such kind of things, or you won't entertain friends to interfere in your friends or family to interfere in your career matters. You are just focusing on your career, and you are not entertaining your friends or family to interfere in your career matters. You are just focusing on your career and alone, that too. So it's a good thing. As a career wise also, you are going to do very good. So let's see what is the overall guidance for 2022. So for the guidance for 2022 is be truthful. Use say whatever you want to say. Speak truth only. Don't try to manipulate, or don't try to impress people just by telling lies and all. You just use your truth, or I can say speak your truth. Whole 2022 you need to be truthful. Whatever you do, whether it is family matters, personal matters, personally related to you only, or career matters in general, you just to be truthful. You have to be truthful. So this is what help you to move peacefully, successfully in 2022. So in the whole 2022, you should not forget that you should be truthful, whatever, no matter what it is. You should just have to speak truth, whether it is a personal life also, in family matters also. You need to speak the truth. Let the people know what exactly it is. Don't try to hide the things, or don't try to lie to satisfy them. In the professional matters also, don't cheat anyone. Anyway, you will be having very good energy. So with that, just be truthful for whole year. Whatever you do, with whomever you are dealing, just be truthful, be genuine. This is what help you to lead the 2022. So just don't forget that, be truthful, and you are going to be in a good energy. Whatever energy you may be right now, in 2022 your energy will be good in all the areas, in general, in family matters, in career matters, in your personal life also. It will be very good. You will get lot of you already hold lot of wisdom. If it is not also, In the 2022 you will gain that wisdom how to handle family life and how to handle the career. So you don't entertain or you don't mix both the things. You will get the balance. You will keep it in a balanced way. In family matters you will deal with your family only. You won't entertain your career matters to disturb your family life. At the same time you don't entertain these family matters or personal matters will to disturb your career. So totally it will be very good year for you. You just need to be careful that you should be very truthful whatever you are doing. Okay? At least to yourself. Whatever you are doing, be truthful to yourself. So this will help you to lead 2022 peacefully and happy. Let's move on to pile number 3. Who choose yellow pile? Let's see what is true for you in 2022. So what is the energy, general energy? So pile number 3, who choose yellow pile? Your general energy will be little bit lack of passion. You will lose the passion in 2022. You feel not very passionate about the things. Actually you won't feel passionate. You will be dull or you will be like, okay, it is happening, let it happen kind of thing. You won't be passionate about the things or whatever the situation. In general your energy will be little bit calm, not much passionate, not much firing. You will be like a calm going, or you feel like just go with the flow kind of nature. So in general 2022 you will be like just going with the flow. You are not thinking much about anything, or not acting fiercely, or not taking the things passionately. You are just going with the flow. This will be your general energy for 2022. So in your family matters, our family matters. So in family matters or love area, whatever be the situation right now in your life, in 2022 you are going to take action, or whatever misunderstandings, whatever small conflicts in family related issues will be there. In 2022 it won't be there. You will solve all those things in 2022. If you have any conflict with your family members or friends or your spouse, partner, so you will solve those things in next 2022. In this 2022 you will be solve all those things, all those conflicts. So this 2022 will help you to come out of that conflicts, or if you are healing from any kind of past relationships, hurts of past relationship, if you are going through any kind of trauma related to your past relationships, this 2022 will help you to come out of it. In 2022 you will come out of it. Finally you will come out of that negative thoughts or painful situations, whatever in family related matters, whatever you are going through, bad things particularly, in the 2022 you will come out of it. You are no more thinking about those things. You finally come out of it from the traumas, whatever your family related traumas, or whatever your past relationship issues, painful issues. In 2022 you will come out of it finally. You not just able, you will solve those things. Or if it is happened in previous year 2021, in 2022 you are not thinking about those things. You are finally coming out of all those things, whatever painful situations is there in your family area. You are coming out of those things in 2022. So not much anything new is happening, but the thing is you are at least coming out of from that past things. You are no more crying or no more wondering about those past things. You are just coming out of those things. In 2020 will help you to come out in any way. So finally you find peace in your family related matters. If you are not feeling peaceful earlier, in 2022 you feel peaceful or healed from the family issues. So let's see what is the career. So in 2022 your career wise, actually you are good at in your career right now, but in 2022 you are going to lose some skills. Maybe you are not updating yourself, or whatever skills you have to achieve things in your career. In 2022 you are not using it. You are losing or you are not using it, that things or that skills properly. So in 2022 you are not going to use your skills, actually your communication skills, your leadership qualities, or money earning skills, whatever help you to move forward or get success in your career. Those skills you are not using in 2022. So in career matters you will be little bit down. It is just because of you are not using those skills, or you are losing that skills, not from the other outside obstacles or outside people. It is just because of you. This will happen just because of you, because you are not using those skills, or you are losing those skills, or you are not updating yourself in the career matters. If you need to learn some new things, new courses to achieve success or get success in your career, you are not learning it. You are not showing any interest to learn it. If you have any skills also, you are not using it. So in career matters you are the only reason why it is not good. It will be, I cannot say it is not good, but the thing is it is not moving any further. Yeah, it will be not, there will be no improvement in your career. It is just because you are not using your skills, or you are losing your skills, or you are not updating yourself. So concentrate on it. If you are not using your skills, think about it. Why? If you have to learn something to improve your career, show interest. Try to learn that, which will help you to move forward in your career. So this is how your career will be. Let's see what is the overall guidance for 2022. So actually in 2022 you will be in lot of illusions. This is what make you slow in 2022. Maybe you have gone through lot in 2021. So in relationship matters, family issues, as we already saw. So because of those things you are not concentrating much on your career, or you are just not showing your interest in any things as per your energy. I can say that, because overall energy also not passionate about the things. So you are not showing any passion in your life, or you are in some kind of illusions. So you need to come out of it. In 2022 the overall guidance is you have to come out of your illusions. If something is happened bad to you, let it be in the past. leave it in the past year. In 2022 you need to think about just 2022. That is a new year. You should think about the new things. If anything happened bad in your personal life or family area, or in career area, you are very good, but the thing is you are not using that skills. Whatever skills you had, you are not using it because of some illusions. Maybe you are thinking that you are expert, so I don't need to learn anything, such kind of things. So if you have any kind of things, come out of those illusions. Or if you have any past pains, forget about it, let it go, and start the life in a new way. It is a new year, you should be new. So we need to improve ourselves time to time. If you want to move forward in your life, we need to learn. So just come out of that illusion of that you know everything, you no need to learn anything, or you already have everything, such kind of illusions. You need to come out of that. In the 2022, just don't be in any kind of illusions. If you have such kind of illusions, come out of it and try to learn. Anyway, whatever past heartaches is there, you are coming out of it. You will find the peace in that. In the career matters also, try to learn something new, try to do something new which will help you to move forward, and be passionate. Try to be passionate whatever you are doing. As we saw that you are not that much passionate, you are losing that passion. Whatever passion you have in 2022, you are losing that passion. So try to be passionate. So far the reason, or I can say the guidance is, just come out of illusions. Whatever illusions you have, come out of it. Don't be in an illusion that you are master of everything, you can handle everything, such kind of. If at all you have any kind of such illusions, come out of it and ready to learn. So this is how it will help you to lead the 2022 in a happy, successfully. Let's move on to pile number 4. Who choose green pile? So what is stored for you in 2022? So this is for career, so in general. This is for family or love. This is for career. So in general, overall energy for 2022. So finally in 2022, pile number 4, who choose green pile, you are leaving everything behind which is not serving you, or which is making you unsatisfied, which is making you painful, sorrow, or which is giving tears in your eyes. You are moving from everything, whether it is a situation, people, place, whatever it is. Overall energy is you are leaving the situation, people, places, the things which is not serving you anymore. It's a very good energy. So whatever situation you are right now, in 2022 you are leaving everything behind you and you are moving towards something new. You are no more in that old energies or old people, past energies which is not serving you. So overall energy is really good. Finally you are moving towards something which is helpful. Finally you are leaving, which is not good. So let's see, related to our family matters. That's good. In 2022, pile number 4, green card, green pile. Get ready to get married, because in 2022 there are chances that you are going to get married who are not married. Not for everyone. Who are already married, you will be having very happy family life. Whatever the situation right now, in 2022 your family life will be very good. You will be very happy with your family, and if singles is there, they are going to get married in 2022. So singles, you are no more singles in 2022. You are going to mingle. So if you have any kind of fears regarding marriage, leave it. Anyway you are leaving, which we saw in general energy. So in 2022 it's a good thing. In family, as per your family life, it is very good. You will be very happy. and finally you are going to get married. Whoever are married, you are going to bless it with the baby. If you are looking for kids, you will achieve all the your wishes will be coming true regarding your family area, in your family situations. If you have wishes to get married, you will get married. If you have wishes to have babies, you will have babies. If you have any kind of issues in your family life and you are looking for happiness in your family life, you are going to get that wish. So in 2022 overall your family life will be very good. There is no any kind of problem, because that is a thing you are living. This general energy is very important. You are leaving. If any kind of things is there in the past also, you are leaving. You are walking away from all those things, that negative things, that negative people, that negative places. You are walking away from everything. This is what bring you these new things, or these happy things in your life, in the family area at least. So finally in 2022 you will be having a very happy and good family life. Your desires will be going to fulfill. So in career area, that's a great thing. Actually this card is we should not reveal anything. This card means, so I cannot say. I can say that you have very great beginnings in your career life, but for time being it is secret. For time being, universe don't want to tell you what exactly it is. I love this card. Whenever I get this card, I love this card. Actually, I don't like secrets, or I don't like surprises, but I really love this card whenever I get in the reading. So in career wise, I don't want to disclose, because this card meaning is that. So just wait for the surprises in your career life. Whatever career you have, just wait for in the 2022. It will be very surprising career. Career wise, you will be very surprised, I can say. So overall guidance. What is the guidance for 2022? Great. So in 2022, the guidance is just open for all kind of wisdoms. So far it's a very good pile. Whoever choose pile number 4 compared to other piles, it's a really very great year for you, 2022. Whatever you faced in your life till now, I don't know, but in 2022 you are going to get a very good year, or I can say you are going to fulfill all your wishes, all your desires, or all the hard works, whatever you did in your past, everything will be, you are going to get the result for that hard work. It will pay off in 2022. So the guidance is just open to the wisdom. Whatever knowledge you are getting, just open for it. Don't close yourself. Just open for the wisdom. Whatever knowledge you are going to get or you are going to receive in your journey, open for it. Just keep open mind for everything. Okay, don't close yourself. Okay, so all the best. Let's move on to pile number 5. Who choose? White pile. Pile number 5. It's a general, it's a family or love, it's a career. So let's see what is the general energy for pile number 5. Pile number 5. Don't know how your present or current situation or past year, but in 2022 you are losing your balance. You are going to be like this is overall energy in general. So you are losing the balance in 2022. Right now you are determined, or in the past year you were very determined, very strong, very courageous, You are like an emperor in the past year. But in 2022, you are reverse emperor. You are losing your balance. You are losing your courage. You are losing your hopes. We will see why and what we need to do. So, this is a overall energy actually. Whatever you are holding now, you are losing it in 2022. Let's see in your family area. So, file number 5, in your family area, love situations. In the past, if you have multiple choices in family or love situations, family situations, in the 2022 you are not going to have it. You won't be having any choices in 2022 in family situations. If your family want to do something, you need to do it. That's it. You need to accept it. You don't have any other choice. They won't give you, or you won't be having any other choice. You have to do it. So you won't be having any choices in family life. There is one way, and you need to go through that way only. I think you are a multiple options person. But the thing is, that's what, in past you may be having multiple options regarding your family situation or your love life. You may be having multiple partners, multiple friends, or multiple solutions for your family issues. But in 2022 you are not having any choice. You are not having any choice in 2022 in family matters. You will get only one choice, and you need to follow that choice. You won't be having any choices in your love life. You need to settle with that one choice in 2022. So finally in 2022 in family matters you are going to lose your choices, I can see. You won't be having any choices. Let's see what is the career. So great, at least in career matters you won't be sneaky. You are actually in your financial matters, or I can say in job or business. In the past you are a very sneaky person. But in 2022 you are no more that sneaky person. So you are leaving that sneaky behavior. In the 2022 in your career related matters or financial situations, you are leaving that sneaky behavior. You are not doing any sneaky things or sneaky actions which will bite you next. So in career wise it will be good. Whatever you are doing, that will be your career. There is no more changes kind of thing. There is no new things or no changes. But the thing is, you are doing things sneaky way, or I can say cunning way. But in the 2022 you are not doing it. You will become genuine, or you won't be sneaky. If you are dealing with your business partners, you won't be sneaky. You will be genuine. You will become genuine. Or whatever you are earning money also, if you are doing any kind of sneaky things to earn money in the past, now in 2022 you are not doing it anymore. So you are leaving, at least this is a good thing actually. The sneaky behavior in 2022 you are leaving the sneaky behavior in your career related matters or financial related matters. So let's see what is the guidance, overall guidance for 2022. So in 2022 you need to concentrate about your chakras. I think you need to do lot of meditation, lot of yoga, or you need to habituate to good eating habits. Take care of your health. Keeping yourself in balance. That is what in the past also we saw that you are losing balance. The general energy, you are losing balance in 2022. So the guidance also, you need to be in balance. So you whatever required to do to be in the balance, you need to do all those things. You need to take good care of your health, yourself. You need to take good food. You need to have good sleep. You need to maintain good relationships. That's what. If you are dealing with any multiple partners, you need to leave it in 2022, which will make you in balance. So whatever things you are doing, to lose your balance, actually in past whatever you did, that is the reason why you are losing balance in 2022. Whatever actions you did in the past, those actions are leading you to this imbalance in 2022. So in 2022 your guidance is focus on yourself, get that balance again, work on your chakras, take good food, take healthy food, take care of your health, take care of your physical appearance, do some exercises, have mental peace, do some meditation. So the guidance is totally taking care of yourself. I think in the past you were thinking about different things and you were stop taking care of yourself. Or you need to think in a healthy way, because you lost that balance or you become imbalanced just because of you are not thinking in a healthy way. That's why even your guidance card is taking care of your chakras. Concentrate on your chakras. Take healthy food. Do actions what is good for your physical health, mental health, emotional health and spiritual health. Don't do anything which will harm any of these four things, because this is what keep you in balance. Once you lose that any kind of area, like in emotionally, if you are imbalanced in emotionally also, you will become imbalanced. So that's what, if you maintain balance in your emotional life, physical life, mental life and spiritual life, then you will be full balance. Earlier you was actually, I think, because getting Emperor is not an easy card. It's a very great card. So you are really a great place in the past, because of your actions, because of your network, people, situations, you become imbalanced in 2022 especially. So in 2022 again you need to concentrate on yourself. You need to think in a positive way. Whatever the situation or wherever you are, with whomever you are, just think positively and do things which is good for your health, or the way I said, physical, mental, emotional and spiritual, which is good for total your well-being. This will help you to come into balance again. So in 2022 you are going to lose the balance, and moreover at the same time you will have chance to get that balance in exactly in 2022 also. The same year you can get that balance, but for that you need to work on yourself. Just keep working on yourself. If you are already working, keep working on yourself. Or if you are not working or you are not taking care of yourself, just take care of yourself first. Before doing anything, work on yourself. This is your guidance for 2022. File number 5, work on yourself. This working on yourself will give, or it will help you to lead a happy and satisfied life in 2022. This is what. So thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe, and these all short readings. This is an in-depth reading. It's really not a short reading for, because it is for total year. So it is total, you got general energy and your career and family life. If you want to know more about regarding your career life or family life, or if you want to know about overall energy, how to change your energies, if you are in the negative energy, if you want to come out of that negative energy and want to have that positive energy, so for that you need to get a personal readings based on your questions. It will be there. So for that you can find the details in description box. So you can mail me through mail, you can contact me, and whatever questions will be there you can ask there. I will reply to the mail regarding based on your questions. Thank you for watching.